Welcome to our YouTube channel. Clipping images. Let's start our lesson. First of all, open the Adobe Photoshop software. Sure thing. Here's a step-by-step guide for creating a clipping path and adding a natural shadow in Adobe Photoshop. Creating a clipping path. Open your image. Launch Adobe Photoshop and open the image you want to work on. Select the pen tool. In the toolbar on the left, select the pen tool, shortcut, P. Start creating the path. Zoom in on the image for precision. Click on the edge of the object you want to clip. Continue clicking along the edges, creating anchor points. For curves, click and drag to create Bezier curves. Close the path. Once you've outlined the object, connect the last anchor point to the first one. Right-click on the path and choose Make Selection. Refine the selection, optional. After making the selection, go to Select Modify Feather if you want a softer edge. Create a clipping path. With the selection active, go to Layer, New, Layer via Copy. This creates a new layer with only the selected object. Delete the background, optional. Hide or delete the original background layer if you want a transparent background. Adding a natural shadow. Duplicate the object layer. Right-click on the clipped object layer and choose Duplicate Layer. Rename the duplicated layer. Rename the duplicated layer to Shadow for clarity. Fill the shadow layer. Fill the shadow layer with black. You can do this by selecting the layer and using the Paint Bucket tool, shortcut, G. Blur the shadow. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Adjust the radius until you achieve a realistic shadow effect. Position the shadow. Move the shadow layer beneath the clipped object layer. Use the Move tool, shortcut, V, to position the shadow according to the light source in your image. Adjust opacity, optional. Reduce the opacity of the shadow layer to make it more subtle and realistic. Refine the shadow, optional. Use eraser tool or layer mask to refine the shadow's edges for a more natural look. Save your work. Save your edited image in the desired format. That's it. You've successfully created a clipping path and added a natural shadow in Adobe Photoshop. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.